Let us start with the application problem on RLC circuit. Observe, here in the circuit, the resistance R and the inductance L both are connected in series. Most important point, they are connected in series. When they are connected in series to a voltage source E, what is the equation we can get is Ri plus L into di by dt is equal to E. How? What is the voltage drop across R? R into I, because I is the current flowing, I is the current flowing. So voltage drop across R is R into I. Similarly, voltage drop across L is L into di by dt. This sum, that is Ri plus L into di by dt, that must be equal to E. Observe the point. The voltage source is E. This is equal to the voltage source E, that must be equal to voltage drop across R, that is Ri, plus voltage drop across L, that is L into di by dt. I repeat once more. Voltage drop across R is Ri. Voltage drop across L is L into di by dt. This total Ri plus L into di by dt, this must be equal to the voltage here, source, that is E. Now, this is a differential equation. I have to solve this. So, what is the procedure? First, divide by L. If I divide by L, Ri by L, is that it? Ri by L, I have written. L by L cancels, so that is di by dt. L, each term, every term is divided by L. Ri divided by L here. Di by dt divided by L cancels, so therefore E divided by L. Now, how to solve this differential equation? This is a differential equation just like, observe, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Right? Coefficient of y is p. Here what is coefficient of I? Coefficient of I is r by l. Coefficient of I is r by l. So, p is equal to r by l. Coefficient of I is r by l. Coefficient of y, it is p. Similarly, coefficient of I is r by l. So, p is equal to r by l. What is the RHS? RHS is E by L. Therefore, that is Q. Now, what is the integrating factor? Integral of p dt. Formula is e to the power integral p dx when you have dx. Since dt is here, it is e to the power integral p dt, e to the power integral. What is the value of p? P is r by l. R. So, therefore, first let us find integral of p dt. Integral of p dt. What is p? P is equal to r by l. I have substituted. P is equal to r by l. I have substituted. dt. With respect to t, r and l are numbers. They are constants. Take it outside. R by l. Take it outside. Integral of dt. What is the value of integral of dt? T only. Because integral of dx is x. Similarly, integral of dt, it is t only. So, therefore, integrating factor is e to the power integral p dt, e to the power integral, right? What is the value of integral p dt? R by lt. Now, what is the general solution you have? General solution is, y into integrating factor is equal to integral of integrating factor into q dx plus c. This is in the same way. Instead of y, I into integrating factor is equal to integral of integrating factor into q. Instead of dx, you have dt because denominator variable is t, dt plus c. Now, I write that as it is. What is the integrating factor? E to the power or L by t. I have written that. I, as it is, I have written, observe, I. Integrating factor is e to the power RT by L. That is equal to integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E to the power RT by L. I have written that here, observe. Into Q. What is Q? Q is equal to E by L. I have written that dt plus C. So, here, with respect to t, this E and L are constant, take it outside, E by L I have taken. So, what is remaining? E to the power RT by L. I have written that as it is, dt plus C. Now, I have to integrate this. How do you integrate? Integral of e to the power 2x means e to the power 2x by 2. In the same way, number behind x. In the same way, integral of e to the power RT by L means e to the power RT by L divided by number behind t. What is number behind t? R by L. Observe. E by L written as it is. Integral of e to the power RT by L means e to the power RT by L divided by number behind t. What is number behind t? R by L plus C. So it's